The days get shorter and the layers get thicker, and suddenly everyone's debating whether it's actually cold yet or just not bad for December. This season has a way of slowing us down and reminding us what matters most. Time together, familiar places, and the comfort of being home. The kitchens where traditions live on, and the living rooms where stories get retold, sometimes word for word, and somehow still gets laughs. And while we spend our days talking about houses, we know home is really about the people inside them. It's shared meals, quiet moments, and that unspoken tradition of snow-blowing diplomacy, where neighbors clear each other's driveways without a word, and nobody keeps score, at least not out loud. As the year comes to a close, we're grateful for the trust you've placed in us, the conversations we've shared, and for being part of the community we're lucky to call home. From all of us at Maine Home Connection, we wish you a Christmas filled with warmth, peace, and just enough snow to make things feel right, but not enough to knock out the power. Merry Christmas, and we'll see you in the new year. I'm Laura Sosnowski, and I invite you to imagine more.